Welcome back, I'm Rachel, and in this video I'm going to go over the structure and function of the dorsal interossei foot muscles. Where are these muscles located? The dorsal interossei muscles are located on each foot. To get a closer look at these muscles, we need to take a closer look at the dorsal surface of the foot. Here we can see the dorsal interossei muscles located between the metatarsal bones. Where do these muscles originate from? Each of these muscles are bipinnate. They each have two heads. These heads originate from the metatarsal bones, specifically from each side of the shaft of these bones. If we take a closer look at just the bones on the dorsal view of the foot, we can see highlighted in red the area these muscles originate from. What about the course of these muscles? Each of these muscles run between the metatarsal bones distally down the foot towards the phalanges. The fibers of the two heads of each muscle then converge to form a tendon. Where do these muscles insert? The tendon of the first dorsal interosseous muscle inserts onto the medial side of the base of the proximal phalanx of the second digit. The other three muscles insert onto the lateral side of the base of the second, third, and fourth digits. What about nerve supply to these muscles? These muscles are innervated by branches of the lateral plantar nerve. What actions are these muscles involved in? These muscles function in the abduction of digits 2, 3, and 4. So in other words, the movement of these toes away from the midline of the foot. They also function in the flexion of these toes at the metatarsophalangeal joints. In other words, the movement of these toes downwards. In addition, these muscles are involved in the extension of the toes at the interphalangeal joints. In other words, the movement of these toes upwards. What about antagonistic muscles? The dorsal interossei muscles of the foot have one set of antagonistic muscles, the plantar interossei muscles. Whilst the dorsal interossei muscles function in the abduction of the toes, the plantar interossei muscles function in the adduction of the toes. And that concludes this video on the structure and function of the dorsal interossei foot muscles. I hope you found it helpful.
Thank you for watching. If you want to support this channel, please subscribe and check out more of my videos.